Good morning, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and this is deep cleaning plus carpet cleaning here in Providence Golf Club, Davenport, Florida. The client requests the whole house. The client requests the whole house because he wants to sell the property. So the person who opened the house was the Realtor. It's a small house, 3 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. Here is the list of the inspection after the ladies clean the property. One person is in charge of deep clean all the kitchen. That includes the kitchen cabinets inside and outside, all the cabinet door, drawers inside the oven, inside the refrigerator, remove any smudges and stains. She already put the cleaning product inside the oven so it will work. Each of the house cleaning has a paper where they put a list of the things that they're gonna clean and the time. So we have tracked of all the tasks that each person does. Another person is gonna focus in this room. I need to be done the room first and the kitchen, later the bathrooms, because I have to steam all the carpets after they clean. There is a lot of traffic area in this hallway or whole path. Some stains. She's gonna clean all the blinds, the ceiling fan, baseboards, electric covers, spot clean all the walls, vents, doors, closet rails. After they finish the rooms, they're gonna tackle the main area, those ceiling fan, light fixture, blinds, baseboard, sliding door. Also have to do the patio. There is another person that is helping me to do these rooms. As I told you, the room needs to be ready so I can steam cleaning after they finish the whole house. So she is deep cleaning by hand all the blades from the ceiling fan, and we are any house cleaning services here in Davenport, and we serve Champions Gate. The bathrooms, I'm gonna show you the condition of the bathrooms. This is not in bad condition, this bathroom. However, the floor is a little bit bad. The bathroom that is really bad is the master bathroom. This is the laundry. The master bathroom, I'm gonna show you later. Let me finish showing you the empty bedrooms. There is another bedroom and there is a spot that I have to clean. The ceiling fan is not that bad. A couple vents, ceiling fan, closet, doors, door frame, light covers, electric covers. This bathroom it's dirty, however, it's not in really bad condition. But we have to clean, and that's all the light fixtures really good. And clean the baseboard, in the covers, electric covers. Another room. These 2 rooms are okay. Let me show you the master bathroom. The master bathroom is a kind of challenge, but for example, look this. Sully is cleaning by hand and detail all the ceiling fan and the blades. So this client is paying us to do everything by hand and detail. Another way is to use a ceiling fan brush, but in this case, this client is picky and wants to sell the property and wants the house in really good shape. So this is the light fixtures in the master bathroom. Sink. The tub is not in bad condition, but they need to disinfect and sanitize that. This is the master shower. Ooh, I love it. You say, why you love it? I love it because it's dirty. And that's my job, to clean it. And that's why they call me. So if you have a house for sale, or you are a realtor and your client is really picky, or if you just buy a new house and you want everything clean and sanitized, just call me at 407-572-4118. Let me take a photo of this situation. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna use this gel product. It's awesome. I love it. And it will stick on the corners. Really easy to use. So I will let it sit for a while. Okay. I'm gonna let it sit this here. And let me show you one more thing. Actually, there is two. The sliding glass, we have to clean it, and the rails in and out. Let me open this. The client also is paying us to put some Clorox in the corners, vacuum, and clean this. It was a pet. I think, I don't know if it's a dog or a cat, but you can see pet hair here. So, wiping and cleaning and put some Clorox in the corner. Rails needs to be vacuumed. You can see pet hair there. And the last thing, the garage. Okay. Vacuum all the garage. Remove any kind of cobwebs. I don't see that much. Just in the corner, a little bit. It's in good shape. I have seen other garage that it was really bad. and clean the floor. I tell him that I'm gonna scrub with a floor cleaner the garage, mop, vacuum, scrub, mop. But I also told him that I cannot guarantee that the oily spots will be removed. Of course, that I have the right product, but I also told him that I cannot guarantee if something is already into the concrete. This is Fiorella. I know this is a long video, but this is the full disclosure of this house. Doors, fingerprints, and my name is Fiorella again from anyhousecleaning.com. So this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. You can contact me at 407-572-4118 or see our website anyhousecleaning.com. Check, like this video, see us in Facebook, on YouTube. Thank you.